How to fix Microsoft Office error 3001528. So start then settings, apps, and here installed apps. Here search out Office. You will get Office here. Select these three dots and select modify. Now here you can select quick repair or online repair. It will fix all the issues, but make sure it's a need internet connection. So you can try one by one if quick repair will work. So just complete quick repair and restart. If it's not work, so try online repair. And once this complete, again restart your laptop. So this is the way guys you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you.